Sila yung parang medyo na-disadvantage ng category-based draws. Category-based draws, I think that's actually a good thing. Kasi during the time na in-implement nila tong category-based draws, ang dami kong mga clients na invite as a PR, nabigyan ng ITA or invitation to apply as a permanent resident because nagkaroon yan ng for teachers, nagkaroon ng for healthcare workers, tapos meron mga STEM or mga IT, ganyan. So, nasa-specialize and then, kumbaga napipinpoint talaga sila. Siguro, ang downside dito is if hindi kayo nagfo-fall doon sa mga category na yun, no? Syempre, doon kayo mas lalong, paano kami? Hindi na kami kasama dyan. So, kunwari, yung mga fast food crew siguro, nasa hospitality industry, ganyan. Sila yung parang medyo na-disadvantage ng category-based draws kasi na-focus talaga sa healthcare, teachers, at saka yun, yung mga ITs.